Alright, hey, this is Chris with Cycle Source Magazine, Grease and Gears Garage, new product spotlight. Today's new product spotlight is on the Arlen Nest 10 gauge titanium rocker box top covers. Great product, drastically changes the look of your motor, your 2017 up M8 motor. Comes complete with the hardware that you need. The gaskets are included in the box. These are a direct replacement for your OEM top rocker box covers. So pretty much just unbolt your old ones, put the new gaskets on, put these in their place, and you're good to go. You can check them out today at DennisKirk.com. Tell them the guys from Grease and Gears Garage sent you. Till next time, I'm Chris with New Product Spotlight.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.